Okay, in order to take a sample using the sampling tube, we need to assemble these parts as follows. First thing we're going to do, we're going to put on the bottom sleeve retainer. This is where the plastic butts up inside, and it just goes on to the end of your rod. As always, you want to make sure all these connections all throughout your drill string are always very tight. That should do it. Now we're going to add our shoe. This is the shoe or bit. Right here is our soil retainer. This simply fits inside the shoe and locks in there and prevents the sample from falling out as you raise your steel. Make sure it's seated properly. One more. Plastic soil sampling tube. We're going to slide it in, butt it up against the ridge inside here. Then we're going to do a measurement on the far end, cut it off, get the thing together. Make sure you're seated good and flat on the ridge. I'm just going to spin this around. Top sleeve retainer. Now we'll do our measurement and cut. Okay, on this particular lead steel string, what we're looking for is a 1/2 inch longer than the steel rod itself. In other words, from the edge here, we're going to leave a 1/2 inch outside. So we'll make our cut right there, and that'll give us a little bit of slack inside for the plastic to sit freely. Okay, so we just used a hacksaw, cut our measurement off. We'll slide her back in. There's our 1/2 inch. Okay. Now we're ready to hook up the drill, send this down. So let's get to it. Okay, with using the plastic sampling tube, there's some major advantages. Number one being you end up with a completely uncontaminated sample. The other advantage, one of the other advantages, is the clear plastic tube. you'll be able to see, without disturbing the sample, what sort of strata you have at whatever particular depth that you're sampling from. It is a little more expensive, but if that's what your needs are, there you have it. Okay, this is our lead steel that we've retracted now. Our plastic sampling tube is inside here. We're going to clean it up a bit, take it apart, and we'll show you how the sample comes out. Sweet.
Okay, side ejector is all full of material.
Clean that out later. This is our top sleeve retainer. Okay, now we're going to remove our sample tube. We drilled down only 10 feet for the purposes of showing how the sample tube system works. So when you pull your sample tube out, you might want to clean it as it comes out with a bit of a wash. As you can see, the sample starts right about here. Yeah, there's a good 4 feet of undisturbed sample in there. As you can see, there's the end. And what we do have, not here today, but we have caps that are going to go on the ends. You can mark this, your location, send it off to the lab, take it apart and analyze it, whatever you want. Basically, that's how we collect the sample using a plastic sample tube. There you have it.